If one hasn't practiced during life, death becomes a frightful experience. The dying individual does not know what is happening or where he or she will end up. Lodro Thaye describes this state in the Supplication as the black darkness of fear, a state in which the ravished mind passes through a foggy realm. Such an individual wanders from one life to the next without knowing where he came from or where he is going. After death, one's mind is blown by the wind of karma. All the results of one's actions ripen, and one encounters the aching consequences. One is blown and driven into a next birth by the wind of karma, which is the infallible and unerring law of cause and effect, i.e., all active processes one has accumulated and is solely responsible for. Actions never remain unaccounted for until the ripening effects become one's own vivid experiences. One cannot determine one's future life after death because one has no control over one's mind.